What's unique about being a scientist is being the first person to understand something that no one else has understood, or see something that no one else has done, discover it. That's what's a little bit different from other human endeavors. I'm Michel Nussenzweig, and I'm the head of the Laboratory of Molecular Immunology. One of the things that we're most interested in is how antibodies develop and how antibody responses develop and how they can be protective against various pathogens. Almost all vaccines work because we make antibodies to pathogens. They're typically made by just taking the pathogen and putting it into a person. That sometimes works, and when it works, it's great, but we don't really understand why it works. Part of what we do is to try to understand the rules for creating vaccines. HIV has been a real model, an interesting model for us as a problem. It's something that hasn't been solved in 30 years, and we're trying to understand why it hasn't been solved. The graduate students and postdocs are absolutely the key to this whole thing, and one of the great privileges of being at Rockefeller is working with these amazing students and postdocs who come here. I myself was a student here. When I did come here as a graduate student, I worked on something amazing. I worked on the dendritic cell problem with Ralph Steinman just right after he managed to isolate the cells. So we made some incredible discoveries that are in part responsible for his getting the Nobel Prize when I was a student. It was amazing and exciting, and it definitely made up my mind, this is what I want to do.